Hi there, and welcome to Sugar Hiccups. Today I have one more Hobonichi box. So I thought I was done ordering, but there is this one cover that I really liked. I kept thinking about it. I'm like, no, I have enough journals. I have enough planners. That's just too much. But I couldn't stop thinking about it, and I had to have it. And I will share with you after I open this box on my thoughts on that particular cover. Okay, so let's see what we have. Oh, okay. Before I open my box, I wanted to tell you that when this box came, it had a big shipping label on it. And I was like, oh no, because this is a tiny Hobonichi box. It's not the regular size. Let me see if I have the, hold on. Okay, so here's the other box. This is what my other stuff came in. And when I tried to take the shipping label off, it just was terrible. So anyways, I have a video, the one right before this one, that shows you how to make sure to get your shipping label off so it looks like this. So please be sure to check that out. Okay, so let's see what we have. And here it is. So here are my goodies. Now, the first thing I got was my cover on cover, which I really like these. They're super nice. My cover on cover. And this is my cover. I had to have this. I just couldn't stop thinking about it. I just love the cover so much. And so I had to order it, but before I ordered it, I thought long and hard. And I thought, okay, so why do I love this so much? What is it about this particular Hobonichi? And then it came to me. It reminds me of the 80s. And I was in high school in the 80s. So what I thought I would do is put my memories in this, my 1980s memories, and a blank book, a blank notebook, and just put my thoughts and maybe some pictures and things. Not really as a scrapbook, but more like a glue book. Maybe it's like a glue book. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So here is the A6 blank notebook. So I'm going to put that in here. That is so pretty. I almost don't want to put the cover on cover because this feeling just feels, it just feels so good. What should I do? What should I do? I have cover on covers on my other planners. And I love them. I absolutely love them. But there's something about this. I'm going to keep it. I'm going to keep it without the cover. I'll save this for next year, because I know I'll order from Hobonichi again next year. Okay, so I'm going to save this cover on cover. We're not going to use it. This is the A6. And the name of this is called Bonbon Plaid. And it's bitter. They have another Bonbon Plaid with lighter colors, more pastel. And I think it's sweet, like Bonbon Plaid sweet. And this one's bitter. Oh, I am super excited. Okay, so the other things I got was the Shall We Have Some Tea folders and envelopes. So let's open these up. In one of my other videos, I unbox my Shall We Have Some Tea planner. So I wanted to go ahead and get these as well. These are like little pockets. That blue's pretty. Pink and white stripe. Yellow and white. Okay, those are super cute. These are little envelopes. Oh, look at the back. Oh, they're different. Okay, good. So we have these two. And the back. Let's see the back. Oh, that's cute. Different. Okay, so there's 3 styles. There's the 3 styles. I like this one a whole lot. So that was a lot of fun. I cannot wait to share my 80s glue book with you guys. That's what I'm going to do. All of the 1980s of my high school years. This should be fun. Okay, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. It would help my channel out a whole lot. I'd really appreciate that. And I want you to have a good day, and we will see you soon. Bye-bye.